So hello guys, so the topic today is about the quotient difference, and this topic is under to the differential calculus. So ganito yan guys, so yung formula niyan is x plus h minus f of x over h. Ginagamit siya guys, every x natin lalagyan natin ng ganito. So para mas maintindihan nyo, let's proceed sa first problem. So, the first problem is the f of x is equals to 2x plus 5. So, yung x natin yan, yung formula is fx plus h is equals to minus f of x over h. Diba guys? So, lahat ng x lalagyan natin ng x plus h. Gets? So, yung eto ng f of x natin, which is eto. Then, yung f of x plus h is equals to 2. And x plus h, lalagyan lang ng h lahat ng x plus 5. Then substitute to this formula. So f of x plus h muna guys, which is the 2x plus h plus 5 minus, ang minus is ito. Then f of x, which is the f of x is 2x plus 5. Then 2x plus 5 over h. Then distribute. Gets? So 2x plus 2h plus 5 minus 2x minus 5 over h. Gets? Then cancel, combine like terms. So natira is 2h. 2h over h. Then cancel the h. Ang natira is 2. So the answer is 2. Gets? So the next problem is the f of x is equals to x squared. So ganito yan guys. Lahat ng x nya, lalagyan natin ng h. X plus h squared. Eto na yan. Yung f of x plus h natin na guys. Yan yung equals nya, which is x plus h squared. Wait, ayusin natin. Gets? Yan yung katumbas niya. Okay, next, then substitute to the formula. Eto na yan guys, which is eto. Gets? So x plus h squared minus sign, and substitute the f of x. F of x is x squared. Then over h is equals to what? X plus h squared, x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus x squared. Substitute the negative sign over h. Then cancel, combine like terms. Then natira is 2xh plus h squared sa taas over h. Then greatest common factor is h, and 2x plus h. Pag sinubstitute nyo yung h, is makukuha natin to. Gets? Over h. Then cancel this, cancel. Ang natira is 2x plus h. So yan yung sagot guys. Gets? So the next problem is the f of x is equals to 1 over x squared. Yung f of x plus h natin is what? 1 over x plus h squared lang, diba guys? Gets? Substitute lang natin yung h. So input to this formula is 1 over x plus h squared. Ito yun. Minus f of x natin is 1 over x squared over h, diba guys? Then get the LCD, x plus h squared and x squared, diba guys? Yan, x squared. Walang negative sign yun. X squared yan. Gets? O, game. Then divide this dito is then times 1. Ang matitira is what? X squared minus x plus h squared times sa 1 over h. Ni-reciprocal ko na to guys. Gets? Then x squared minus x squared minus 2xh plus h squared. Expand. Then copy the denominator times 1 over h. Then distribute the negative sign. So after nyo ma-distribute yung negative sign is gets? Then cancel. Negative 2xh minus h squared. Next is x plus h squared and x squared. Multiply sa 1 over h. Then get the greatest common factor, which is the h. Over, copy the denominator, 1 over h. Cancel. Then minus h over x plus h squared and x squared. So ito yung final answer guys. gets gets. So that's all guys, thank you for watching and I love you all to infinity and beyond. Goodbye.